Hello, welcome back to another chapter of Miss Forensics, or My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 58. If you want to support me, just subscribe, react, watch the video, at pwedeng i-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong bagong uploads. This is only a fun translation. There are grammatical and typographical errors. So yun, sa chapter na ito ay sa wakas nakarating na rin si Captain Song Yuhang para tulungan si Forensic Dr. Lin laban sa mga suspects. Straight on. Laban din si Dr. Lin yan. Side by side silang lumalaban laban sa mga masasamang want to leave. It's not that easy. Mukhang mahirapan sila sa dami ng kalaban nila dito. Hirapan man ay nagtutulungan rin naman sila. Napansin na ni Captain Song na marami ng dugo tumadaloy sa kamay ni Dr. Lin yan. These people are all excellent at picking 1 out of 100. The only solution now is to let Lin Yan go first, and then Captain Song will find a way to skip. So ayun, pinatakas na ni Captain Song si Lin Yan. But Lin Yan is still fighting with another bad guy sa gilid. What are you going to do when I'm gone? Go now! Ngunit nagdadalawang isip naman na tumakas si Dr. Lin Yan. Dr. Lin, may lumilipad na kutsilyo sa likod mo. Captain Song is really worried about Lin Yan. Get down! Nag-get down nga siya, kaso ang kutsilyo ay papunta rin naman kay Captain Song. Sa pool si Captain Song sa kanang dibdib yata. I never thought that you police officers would still resort to this kind of tricks and sacrifice your own lives for justice. Then you die for her. Ayun, nasa pool na naman si Captain Song sa dibdib. Mukhang dihado yata sila sa chapter na ito. Darating pa kaya ang kanilang backup? Ano kaya ang mangyayari kay Captain Song at Dr. Lin Yan? Abangan sa susunod na chapter. Thank you for watching. Please comment and react.